I created this toolkit for you to protect yourself from deportation. Even though you cannot apply yet for the expanded DACA and the new DAPA programs that were announced by the President on November 20th, 2014, you can still prepare. First, gather copies of the most important documents that you are required to collect in order to apply. Examples are documents that prove your identity, that prove you are the parent of a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, or that you graduated from high school, or that you prove you've lived in the U.S. since January 1st, 2010. That's January 1st, 2010. Prove you've been here since then. A complete list of documents is located on my website, and the checklist for the most important documents is included in this toolkit. You need to keep those documents in a safe place. Don't want you traveling around with them once you put them all together. Attach this toolkit to an envelope or folder so that you know where your important documents are. You should also provide copies of these important documents to a relative, a friend that you can trust, and that can come and help you in case of an emergency. There are workshops happening all over the country, like the ones my office conducts, that local organizations and leaders are holding. Go, get educated about the requirements for DACA and DAPA, and prepare. Second, I want you to cut the card in the toolkit and keep it in your wallet and use in case there's an emergency. Use this card only if you are arrested and detained by an immigration official. So if the police pull you over because you got a bad tail at it, you were going a little fast, it's not when you pull this out. Only pull it out when you're detained by an immigration agent. It explains in English and Spanish that you're eligible for DACA or DAPA. By using this card after you've been arrested or detained, you can explain that under the policy in place today, you should be released because you're not a priority for deportation. You should contact the trusted family member or relative who is keeping copies of your important documents and prove your eligibility for DACA or DAPA. The card also provides space for you to write down the name of your family or friend, or the community-based organization, or the legal services organization, or a lawyer that can help you. You should decide who your emergency contact will be now so that you are prepared in case of an emergency. I hope that you never have to use this card. But if you do, don't be scared because you're prepared. Soon enough, the DACA and DAPA applications will be available. And when that time comes, you will have everything you need to apply.